All right, so we're going to look at calculating conditional relative frequencies in this example video. A marketing team concludes, so based on the last two videos, the data that we had, they conclude that females prefer veggie burgers more than men do. Do the survey results support this conclusion? So a conditional relative frequency, I'm going to go ahead and type in that definition for you guys to write in. All right, so conditional relative frequency, you guys want to write this in your notes, is the ratio of the joint frequency and the related marginal frequency. So as a reminder, the joint frequency are these boxes on the inside of the table. It joins how many males chose veggie burgers, how many males chose veggie pizzas. The marginal I can't talk. The marginal frequencies will be the totals on the end. So conditional relative frequency is a ratio. We're going to create fractions, ratios, and then get percentages of the joint frequency and its related marginal frequency. So let's calculate this. We will draw a new table and do a little bit of different calculations so that we can see if that statement was correct. All right, so we've got our veggie burger, our veggie pizza, our total. Here we have male, females. Oh, and that's all we need. Okay. So for the males, we had 50 males out of 90 males that chose the veggie burger. 50 out of 90. Now, on the relative frequency table in the last video, we had 50 out of the total number of people, included males and females, was 225. Now it's conditional. On the condition that we're talking about a male, what's the relative frequency? What's the percent that chose a veggie burger? So we go ahead and we will round this to 56%. Now, how many males chose veggie pizza? So 40 chose veggie pizza out of the 90 total males. So we're on the condition that we're only looking at what the males were choosing, not in relation to the females as well. Now 50 plus 40 gives us 90 over 90. That is 100% of the males chose either veggie burger or veggie pizza. Okay, so our females, we had 60 females choose a veggie burger out of how many total females were there? 135. We divide that out, we get 44%. We had 75 choose the pizza out of the total 135 of females, and we get 56%. And then 70 plus 65 gives us, we had 135 females choose either veggie or pizza out of 135 total females, so 100%. So do the results support the conclusion? So let's go back to what the conclusion was. The marketing team said that females prefer veggie burgers more than men do. So according to our data, 56% of the males surveyed preferred the veggie burger and 44% preferred the veggie burger. So this shows that more men prefer the veggie burger than females. So this does not support the survey results do not support the conclusion of the marketing team. So we would say no. And what I just said, we're comparing this 56% to the 44%. All right, so another question about this data and this conditional relative frequency table. What conclusion could the marketing team make about male and female preferences for veggie pizza? Justify your answer. So let's just look at the veggie pizza, this column right here. We can see that 44% of males prefer the veggie pizza, 56% of females prefer the veggie pizza. So what conclusion should the team make they can say that females prefer, veggie pizza more than males do. And then how do we justify the answer? Well, the females, we had 56% that preferred that versus the males that had 44%. And we showed that with our conditional relative frequency table.